Well, hi there. Okay, so today we'll be looking at Linux Mint 22.1 on UCAN Linux. This is the Cinnamon desktop version, and I'll explain all that in a minute. Little splash screen there. Just waiting for the live environment to come up. Maybe turning on the computer was a bad place to start the recording. So I'm Evil Rhoda. That's my name basically everywhere, except Instagram. I am not on Instagram, and somebody took that name on Instagram. I'm not sure why. Come on. Come on. Come up. So this is going to be the first in a series called UCAN Linux. Okay, mouse works. There we go. Okay, and we're in. We're in. Okay. God damn it. I'm gonna have to mess with my TV settings. Y'all aren't seeing this, but on the TV it's cut off. Damn it. This is input. No, we want output. Okay. There we go. No, not there we go. Oh my god, this is already a clusterfuck. Oh boy. Picture. Okay, there we go. Okay, finally. Alright, so we're doing Linux Mint today. We'll start with the installation. This is once again Linux Mint 22.1. Oh, they changed the last time I tried Linux Mint was, well, definitely pre-COVID, but I think it was like, hell, it might have been 2016. Well, the last time I used it as a daily driver, no, it wasn't 2016, it would have been 2017, I think. I used it for like a month. Okay, here's the Linux Mint installer. Okay, and the reason for this series is to show people that Linux is easy. You can do this. I believe in you. Okay, so our language is English. We're going to click continue. This is all correct. I am indeed using an English US keyboard. And I just... Okay, what the fuck? Gonna have to fucking censor that. Oh, come on! Yes, I want to install multimedia codecs. Basically, this allows you to like play DVDs if you still have a disk drive, and has different codecs and stuff. Yeah, play some video formats and to properly render some websites. It says right there. Okay. This is the version based on Ubuntu. Linux Mint also has LMD, which is based on Debian. So I already had MX Linux installed. I'll explain that later. Erase disk. We just want to nuke and pave. Nuke and pave. Yes, we want to write the changes to the disk. We are indeed in Eastern Standard Time. Let's see here. Stan Stockfoot. Okay. Okay. And this is indeed a GMK Tech Knuckbox G3 Plus. I'm just gonna name it Stockfoot. Yeah, that's good. Choose a password. Ultra secure password that I'm totally not reusing for all of my virtual machines and all Linux installs on this machine. And here we have the Linux Mint slideshow. Fuck. Cannot speak. Okay. And it's showing how you can browse the web. There's no Netflix app, but you can go to netflix.com, as seen here. Firefox is the default browser. We'll be taking a look at that as well. There is a Spotify app available for Linux if you really want if you really want that. Rhythmbox is the default music player. There's like 3 different video players. And well, let's see here. Comes with GIMP, Inkscape, and I don't know what Pix is. And I'm not sure what Drawing is. I'm not sure if that's like a Linux Mint app or not. You can install WhatsApp if you're completely fucking insane. Seriously, fuck WhatsApp. Fuck Meta in general. Slack. Discord and Signal. I do use Discord. I know some people use Slack at work. Signal, I haven't used, but I should start using it. Hey, if it's good enough for a felony government, it's good enough for me, right? LibreOffice, and it's just listing off all the different programs under the LibreOffice umbrella. Hey, you can install software. Steam, Google Earth. Does anybody use Google Earth anymore? I don't even think Google Earth is a thing anymore, is it? You can also use Dropbox if you're still using Dropbox, and Blender. Oh, hey! VirtualBox and Wine. Okay. And customize your desktop. Find help. And that's the end of the slideshow. So yeah, a lot of Linux installers will have this like little slideshow to like, hey, here's what's new. Here's what you can do with your computer while you're installing it. Of course, while you're installing it, you can also use your computer. Use your computer. Okay, maybe the file system will come up, or the file manager, I should say. Hey, there we go. Oh god, there's Firefox. Well, we don't need you now. Yeah, you can actually use your computer. I don't know why why is there screen tearing? It's also on the OBS preview. I had fewer problems with MX Linux. What the hell, guys? So the other thing I want is to be honest with these first looks. So the problems I'm having, you're seeing these as I'm seeing them. I mean, I'm not live, but like, you know, as they happen, you are seeing these issues. So yeah, not sure what's causing that. Before that finishes, I'd like to double check the display settings. Are there display settings? Display settings. Preferences. Yeah, if you're having an issue with your screen, usually the settings are under something called display, or sometimes it'll be on monitor. Resolution, 1920 by 1080. Okay, what the hell? Okay, MX Linux detected out of the box that this was a 4K display, and I thought I'd have to, like, bring it down to 1080p. Like, what? What is going on? Oh boy. Configuring app, retrieving file. Okay, I thought we'd be done by now. Okay. Now, I'm gonna pause the recording for a bit, and I'll see you in a couple minutes. Couple minutes my time, few seconds your time. And we are back. Okay. And we are going to just go ahead and restart now. And as easy as that, we have installed Linux Mint. Please remove installation medium. There we go. Sorry, this is a new mini PC and the USB ports kind of hang on a little tightly. Okay. And now we wait. Do not adjust your television sets. It is still booting up. It is still booting up. It is still booting. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Oh, no splash screen. No ceremony. Okay. So, here we are at the login screen. Doop. Hey, we got a welcome screen. Hold on, before we do anything else, preferences, display. Yeah, it's locked to 1080p. What? I don't understand. I don't understand. I mean, I want it at 1080p, but like, oh, for fuck's sakes. Ah, fuck, oh, boy. Okay, there we go. Let's see here. Let's see if I can bring that back up. Welcome. Hey, there we go. Okay. So, let's see here. Let's not show this dialog at startup, because we only want to do this the first time we boot up. Okay, so we can kind of customize our desktop colors. No, I want it all dark all the time. Mint X. Oh, God. Ah, no, it's only light. What's Mint L? Oh, we can have Mint L in dark. Okay. Okay. Well, that's our advanced settings. Now here's all the... Why the what? Oh yes, this isn't ambiguous at all. Like, look at this. Look at this. I hate this. Here we're on back to the default cursor. I hate that. And then we have our little button themes, icon themes. Yaru is an Ubuntu theme. But yeah, this looks good enough. What's this? Yeah, it looks fine. We're good. Yeah. Oh, you can hold on. Yeah, there we go. Oh, you can download more themes. Spider Void. It's a dramatic theme. It's a dramatic theme for Cinnamon. Here, we're gonna install the dramatic theme. Hold on. Simplified settings. Oh, it doesn't come up. Advanced. Let's see here. Spider Void. Oh, wow. Hold on. Oh God, I can't read anything. Software manager. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It expands. Okay. Settings. Yes, prefer dark mode. Show icons on buttons. Jump to position when clicking a trough. Yeah, okay. Okay. I'm done theming. This is all I need. Oh wait, actually we gotta look at the rest of the there's no spider cursor. Oh, there we go. Spider vo Oh god. Oh god, what is Oh, no spider void icons. Oh, that sucks. Look at this. What is it? What? What is this? Ah! Ah, that is... that is terrible. Sorry, no disrespect to the theme maker, but, I mean, come on. Okay, here, let's, maybe this'll... Oh, thank God, it put everything back to normal. Okay. Okay, system snapshots. Okay. Minimum of 2 daily and 2 boot snapshots are recommended. Okay. rsync and Btrfs. Creating blah blah blah. I don't think I'll. This is no, it's using Timeshift. Okay, yeah, Timeshift is I've never used it, so I don't know the ins and outs of how it works. But basically, it's like basically it lets you restore your system to a previous state. So if you mess it up, you can roll it back. I hit my keyboard. But yeah, you can roll it back with that. I'm not going to use this as a daily driver anyway. So this is solely... I bought this solely so I could test out Linux distros on real hardware. I was going to do this channel on... Oh, for fuck. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so it's been... God, 2 weeks now? Yeah, sorry, life gets in the way. So where were we? Driver managers, that's where we were leaving off. I think I was fussing about the system snapshots, and I was just getting to the driver manager. So we'll launch that. It's looking for drivers. And usually you don't need this. Generally, if you need this, it's because, oh hey, yeah, you don't need this. Usually it's because you have like an NVIDIA card or something that requires proprietary graphics, and you can just change it by going there. Something else I forgot to do last time. What am I doing? What? Okay. What the hell? Okay. So you're supposed to be able to change this to HDMI, and that's an issue with this particular unit. You have to... This is a GMK Tech Netbox G3 Plus, and in Linux, you have, in order to get sound, you have to switch to the HDMI output. But it's... What is all this? Oh, you know, I mentioned last time that I did a dry run with an MX Linux install. On that one, I could just switch to the HDMI output just fine. You know, no issues there. And here, I don't know. I'm starting to think maybe I can recommend Linux Mint. Maybe go install MX Linux instead. Look at this. Wait, hold on. Let me make sure there's nothing weird going on. No, I don't think so. Okay, we're going to go on this in real time. Okay. Hold on, before you do anything else. Fuck. Block. I always install this. Add to Firefox. This is like my one mandatory extension. Like, there are other extensions that I use, don't get me wrong, but this is like mandatory. Okay, so Linux Mint switch to switch to HDMI audio. No, fuck off, AI. Okay. There we go. Satellite speakers. Okay, well, let's try it. So, let me see here. Oh, huh. This must be using. Linux Mint. What is it? 22.1, I think. Oh, hey, this guy got his issue solved. Maybe I can solve my issue. System port snap. What? I installed the install. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. System information. Let's see here. Yeah, so there's an issue with this, like I said, where it'll default to the headphone jack output and not the HDMI output, which is a problem. Hold on. Let's see. System information tab. Okay. So, what do I have in mind? Okay, you know what? This machine has two HDMI ports. I'm just gonna try the other one. This could have disastrous results. Oh, come on. Mouse. Don't tell me I have to fucking the three goddamn. Okay, so one HDMI port, I don't know if it's just because I already had it hooked up to OBS or what. The other HDMI port will not output. I don't know what's going on there. Okay, so we are using Pipewire instead of Pulse Audio as a driver. Pipewire is a new driver. You shouldn't have to worry about that. But Pipewire is like the new driver. Pulse Audio, the new thing in audio drivers in Linux, and uh, I think it is better than Pulse Audio. Okay. Let me see here. Okay, I don't think this guy is having the same problem I'm having. Alright, Reddit, what you got for me? Fucking nothing, okay. Yeah, everybody's like, oh, Linux Mint has the most support. I mean, well, what's the problem I'm fucking having? Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Well, I don't have an NVIDIA card, so I hope that's not the issue. Okay, so it's not the issue. Okay. Let's see here. Fuck off, Google. Okay. I should mention again, at MX Linux, all I had to do was switch over to HDMI. It was super easy, and it fucking worked. It just worked right out of the box. I don't understand what the fucking problem is here. Sound output device. Okay. What's the solution? Okay, so this guy upgraded from 18.04 to 20.04. So Ubuntu version numbers are based on the year and the month that they're released. So 20 means 2020, and .04 means April, so April of 2020. So this bug has been in there for 5 years. Linux Mint is based on Ubuntu. At least the flagship version of Linux Mint is based on Ubuntu, unless you're using LMDE, which is based directly on Debian. It goes, Linux Mint is based on Ubuntu, Ubuntu is based on Debian. So, yeah. Pulse Audio Dash, okay. So this is great and all, but I'm not even using Pulse Audio. Shit. Let me see here. Is Pipewire the command? That's spooky. Let's see here. Kill all Pipewire. Okay. So in the terminal, if you type in a command and press enter and it gives no feedback, that means it did it. Okay, so Pipewire. Okay. Can I refresh this? Yes. Okay. Okay. Audio. Okay, so it's active. So Pipewire is active. We'll go to sound settings. Okay, seriously, what the fuck is going on? Let me see here. Maybe it just wasn't loud enough. Okay, seriously, one of these has to be the fucking HDMI. What is the problem here? Oh my god. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, you know what? Forget the sound. Forget the sound. We're just gonna keep on trucking. Okay. We already just did that. Okay, update manager. So, let's see here. Do we have any updates? Oh, hey, a new version of the update manager. Sorry, this audio issue really took the fucking wind out of my sails. Okay. Firmware, SOF, Linux kernel updates. Okay, so on Linux Mint, Ubuntu, most Linux distributions, after you run an update. Sure. I don't know why some of the text is weird as well. You know what? I think we're good. I think we're good on sources. So yeah, I'm not sure if anything can be. I'm not sure if an update here will fix this, but we'll go ahead and try it. There we go. Install updates. Okay. While it's doing that, we'll see if we can't do anything else cool. Oh, hey, here's the system settings. Oh, sound. I think that just brings up the, yeah, that just brings this up. You know, I want to make Linux seem easy, because it is easy. But when things don't work like this, especially when they work on the other distro I tried previously, that worked just fine. I don't know what the issue here is. You know, and Emic Linux is not a huge distro. It's a much smaller community distro. This is also a community based distro. Ubuntu is maintained by a corporation called Canonical, but Linux Mint is just maintained by the Linux Mint community. But it's not because it's community based. It's because I don't know what the fuck they're doing over there. I mean, come on, guys. This is ridiculous. And I don't want to hear any comments saying, "Oh, this is why Linux Mint will never be adopted." No, bullshit. I've had fucking issues like this in Windows all the time. This is not unique to Linux. Maybe not this one specifically. Actually, speaking of which, I remember last time we had a problem with the display. Yeah, the display is still locked in 1920 by 1080. Oh my god. Maybe I shouldn't have done Linux Mint first. Maybe I should have just done MX Linux first. Again. For a second time. Oh my goodness. Oh, they have screensavers. Let's see here. Huh. Extra bold. Okay. Oh, fuck. Okay. What's the maximum down here? There we go. Select. Okay. Okay, now then. No? Butts. Okay. That's enough of that. That's a cool little feature there. System settings. We already looked at system settings. Actually, I think we were just on system settings. Okay. Let's look at some more stuff. Okay. Oh, let's look at what wallpapers they've included here. Okay. Let's show the desktop. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, that's the default. You know, I think they've used this one before. I think I've seen that wallpaper, but with like the version number. Oh, look, it's the default, but green. Yeah, pretty boring selection, except this one. This one looks pretty cool. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's all green and electric and glass. Very Frutiger Aero. I don't know if that's actually Frutiger Aero. I watched like one YouTube video on Frutiger Aero. Okay, so this is literally just the same as the last wallpaper. Just, I mean, look at this. These are the same wallpaper, just a different shape. I mean, these are the same wallpaper, but a different color. No, look, hold on. Get out. Get out of here. Get out of here. Hey. Okay, watch this. Why is there screen tearing? Oh my god. Okay, watch this. Okay. Black. Great. Oh, wait. The logo's a circle. Never mind. Very different now. I see. These are actually completely different backgrounds. Oh my goodness. There's a separate wallpaper photo. Okay. This is where all the interesting wallpapers go. Okay. What the fuck is Bulma? Whoa, that's nice. Oh, damn. Karsten Weingart, you did pretty good. This is pretty cool. So did you, Meyingnoi? I think that's how you pronounce it. I probably butchered that. I'm sorry. Oh, that's cool. Look at all these cool wallpapers. Look at all these cool wallpapers that come with Linux Mint. And we're still updating. Ooh, hello. Nah. Oh, shit. Oh, this. Okay. Ooh, this one's nice. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Ooh, this one's pretty too. Oh, ooh, nice. Very good wallpaper for fans of the moon. Yeah, there was this old wallpaper that Joe Collins used to use. I think he got it from NASA, and or maybe it was like a default GNOME wallpaper back in the day, like GNOME 3. We will eventually look at GNOME 3 desktop, but yeah, I don't know. It was like that famous picture of like from the moon looking at the Earth, or maybe it was I can't remember what it was. Never mind. Oh hey, a Minecraft wallpaper. This is also a Minecraft wallpaper. Look at that. I thought that was just a normal picture of the Earth for a second. Oh, look, artist rendition of a CPU. I don't have any pictures on this. Okay. What's the difference here? Oh, I guess those are just wallpapers new to Wilma, which is the code name for this Linux Mint release. Hope and Pearl. Two very slightly different wallpapers. That one's kind of violent. Yeah, we'll go with Baltic. No, we'll go with dark. Yeah, that's pretty. That's pretty nice. Maybe purple glitter. Isn't this a phone wallpaper? Good enough for me. Oh, wait. We go with super simple. Oh, hey, my system is up to date. No, go away. Okay, we're going to restart. This system actually does restart pretty quickly. So we're just going to hit restart. Give it a moment. So yeah, about the sound issue. Here's the thing. I know some people are going to be like, "Oh, that didn't work." Ha ha ha. Listen. If something doesn't work on your machine, don't give up. Just keep on trying. The Linux Mint, I don't know. It's always felt a little hacky to me. Even when I was using it as a daily driver for a couple months, it was it never really felt right. But this is what everybody recommends to first-timers. So, you know, this or Ubuntu generally is what's recommended to beginners. Okay, let's go back to the system settings. Oh, hey, effects. So this is basically just eye candy. I feel no need to turn any of those off or change them. You can also change your fonts if you really want to. I think we already looked at themes. Yeah, we looked at themes before. Accessibility. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Drop my mouse again. This is such a clusterfuck. Okay. So this is accessibility type stuff. Let's got sticky keys if you want sticky keys. Or slow keys if you want something slow, I guess. I don't know. It's all high contrasty. Oh, screen reader, huh? I don't even know why I'm trying this. There's no fucking audio, as far as I can tell. Hold on. Let's see here. Sound settings. Nope, we're still fucked. Ah! Damn you! Count details. So you can add a picture of yourself if you really want. Oh, hey, they've got default profile pictures. I'll go with the cute. Oh, they're all so cute. Look at those. Oh, there's a cute fish and a butterfly. I'm gonna go with the astronaut because I'm a spacey boy. Actions. I don't know what this does. I guess you can change the layout of your menus. Applets. I think this is. Yeah, you can add this to workspaces. To tell you the truth, the workspaces is like the killer feature. One of the killer features of any Linux distro that I use. To show you what they do, I'm going to move this Bluetooth manager that I accidentally opened up to the third workspace, and hey, there it is. And in this one, we can open up Firefox and maximize that. And then we can go to workspace 2, and there's nothing there. Oh, but look, I'm opening a terminal. Oh, look. And now I'm moving back here. And now I'm moving back to my terminal. Yeah. I wonder, is Fast Fetch installed? No. Okay. That's easy enough to change. Okay. By the way, this is not the normal way to install software on this. Okay. What? What? No Fast Fetch. Ah. Screen Fetch. I thought NeoFetch was like a fork of Screen Fetch, and Screen Fetch was abandoned. I mean, NeoFetch is also now abandoned. And I think the one everybody moved to was Fast Fetch. Why is all the red text all and smudgy? What is going on here? What is this? This distro is breaking my brain. Whatever. Do I have Screen Fetch or NeoFetch already? Screen Fetch. NeoFetch. Oh, hey. I'm going to show you guys a little trick. I didn't have to do that, by the way. If you type in sudo apt install and the program you already have installed, it just updates the program. So you can type in the command to install a piece of software, and if it's already installed, it'll just update it. So no worries there. Quick short explanation of this. Sudo is basically super user do. That's the equivalent of running a program as an administrator on Windows. So it's like, give me the admin level access, right? Which is why I had to type in my password. And then apt stands for advanced package tool. Apt is the package management you'd type in DNF instead. Forget what DNF stands for, but that's the package manager over there. And then install self-explanatory, just install the name of the program. But you don't have to do that. I'm going to show you, in fact. Can I scroll? No, I gotta open up XPO. So I'm going to show you. We're gonna put system settings to the side for a sec. I'm gonna show you the software manager, and basically every distro that you're going to be using, because you're a beginner, you're probably not going to be using Arch right out the gate. But every easy distro comes with a software manager. If it's like a GNOME distro, then it's going to come with GNOME Software Center or GNOME Software Center. You can pronounce it either way. Don't argue about that in the comments. The developer said you could pronounce it either GNOME or GNOME. If you're on KDE, it's the Discover Store. If you're on Linux Mint, they have their own software manager, which is you can see right here. And also, I should note, if you own a Steam Deck and you go in desktop mode to install Flatpaks, you are using the Discover Store, which is KDE's own software manager. Yay! Okay. So, notice here it says FlatHub. That's the source. This is the, so it's basically showcasing the Flatpak version. Flatpak is like a universal package. So on Debian-based distros, you install software with .debs. I'm sorry, a package, I'm getting ahead of myself. A package is just a piece of software that's ready to be installed and used. Okay? So let's get that out of the way. Flatpaks are universal package managers because previously, if you were on a Debian-based distro, you used a .deb file, and if you were on Fedora or OpenSUSE, there's a lot of other distros that use this. You would use .rpm, right, to install software. Now, most of your software will come from your distro's repositories anyway. FlatHub is a repository for Flatpaks, and FlatHub is also the software source for FlatHub. Okay, if you use a Steam Deck and you use the Discover Store on your Steam Deck, the Flatpaks on the software Discover Store, those are coming from FlatHub. There you go. So, if you want, you can just go to flathub.org. Okay, flathub.org, and boom. So, like, if you're on your phone somewhere and you left your Steam Deck at home, and you're like, oh, I wanna look up a piece of software, see if it's in the Discover Store on the Steam Deck, you can just go to flathub.org. There you go. Free tip from me. But yeah, you can install OBS. This is the recommended way for OBS. I know some people are going to ask me, well, where should I install my software from? Should I use my distro repositories? Should I use, FlatHub? And the answer is, look up the developer's website. Generally, it's okay to use a Flatpak, but if you're having problems, just use your distro's software repositories. And generally, I would just follow the instructions on the developer's website. If you'd rather give Flatpak a try, I won't stop you. I know Valve doesn't recommend you install Steam via Flatpak. I know OBS pretty much insists upon you using the Flatpak from FlatHub. Let's see here. You have color paint, dark table, which is kind of development suite for raw image files, like that you get from like a DSLR. Luanti. This used to be called Minetest, and it's less of a Minecraft clone and more. It's honestly closer to Roblox than it is a Minecraft clone. Yeah. Oh, the package is still named Minetest in the repositories. Oh, in the FileHub repositories. And if you want, you can switch over to system package if you really want. Okay. You can install alternative terminals. You can install Krita. I don't know if this is true because I am not an artist. I cannot draw worth shit. But I've heard somebody say that Krita is better for digital art than Photoshop. I mean, you can try it out for yourself and see if they're right or not, but I mean, they're an artist, I'm not. I'm inclined to take their word on it. Okay. I don't know why they even... I don't know why you would install this on Linux Mint 22, because it's using Pipewire and not Pulse Audio. I don't know, maybe it'd still work. But yeah, there's all sorts of software. Oh, you can filter through stuff down here. And there's... this is kind of an issue with some software centers. It's like, what the hell is all this stuff? You know, like there's no little icon there. That sucks. Oh, they got transmission. Transmission GDK is already installed. Hello. Transmission GDK, I'm assuming that this is like the command line variant, and this is like the GUI. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. And transmission Qt, that's if you're using KDE. GNOME and its forks use GDK, and XFCE also uses GDK. A lot of desktops use GDK. KDE and LXQt use Qt. That's Qt right here. I don't know where all the web browsers are. Okay. Is that like a separate category? Whatever. So this comes with Firefox. If you really want Chrome for whatever reason. Okay. Okay. I guess you can just use this. What? What is that? Okay. Okay, that's strange. Okay, listen. If you really want to infect your fucking computer with Chrome, go to flathub.org. This is probably a better way to install it anyway. Chrome. There you go. Just, here's how I like to install Flatpaks. Just click that button to copy that to your clipboard. And open up a terminal. Paste. Enter. Yes, I want to install it. Yes, I want to proceed with these changes. And then you just gotta wait for it to install, and then you'll have Chrome on your PC. I don't know why you would want this, but if you truly want it, it's there for you. Don't worry about this unverified tag. Basically, that just means that it's packaged by the community and not the original developer. If we go to Firefox, because Firefox is also available as a Flatpak, you can see it's verified. Yeah. It's been, the ownership of this package has been manually verified by them. And of course, you can also try some Firefox forks. Shout out to them. I don't know why this is lagging. Why are you lagging? Oh my god. Oh, this fucking distro. Okay. How long have I been yapping? I can't tell how long the record. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. We're about 43 minutes now. Okay. I think I've yapped enough about the Software Center. Firewall. What's this? I never messed with this. Whatever. Okay. It also has some links to the manual. Some people, when you ask for help with Linux, will respond with RTFM. That means read the fucking manual. And the proper response to them is to tell them to go fuck themselves. Well, sometimes. Sometimes it's understandable because, like, they get the same questions every single fucking time. And it's like, you just read the FAQ, it's literally right there. But then sometimes they're just assholes, you know, it's kind of hard to tell, you know. So, and of course the release notes and the new features. It's got links to a web forum and a chat room. And of course, ways you can contribute. Of course, you can donate. You can also join the community and help others. And if you can code or speak 2 languages, oh yeah, I guess you can report bugs. Okay, this is the coding one. This is reporting bugs. Okay, but yeah, it really helps when you do all that stuff. So. Oh, Firefox. No. Here we go. Peace. Okay. I think next time I'll go ahead and customize Firefox more. I'm really disappointed in that fucking sound issue. Like, look at this. This is a pretty cool feature, isn't it? Like, it's not all bad. It's just that one thing. That one thing. I think I just really took the wind out of my sails. Whatever. Alright, let's try and go through some more of the system settings. You can configure date and time. Oh, what's this? Oh. Ooh, hello. Hold on. Yeah, big, really big. I don't know what any of this means. Okay. Yeah, that's beautiful. Digital photo frame. What does that do? Oh. I don't have any pictures on here. I don't really know where they take where they keep the wallpapers. Uh, that'd be pretty cool if I had a. Oh, hey. Yeah, you can have a little launcher on your desktop. Okay. Desktop. This is just like you have your computer, and personally I don't like desktop icons. There. Move these. Okay. Extensions. What do we got here? Ooh, hello. Oh, tiling windows. Hello. Ooh, that sounds good. Oh my god, yes, 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 please. Ooh, yes, please. Sure. Okay. Ooh, wobbly windows. Compass shall live again. Hell yeah, brother. Ooh, that sounds good. As soon as I'm done with explaining shit, I'm definitely gonna fucking ruin this fucking install. Uh, okay. Remind me to go back to that. Okay. General. Starts when you use too much memory. Let's see here. Gestures. Gestures are disabled. Yeah, this is mostly for like touch screens and stuff. So I don't have a touch screen or a touchpad. So yeah. Hot corners. This is like if I move this over here, it'll do whatever functions. I usually leave this disabled. Input method. Oh, I guess you can input different yeah, languages. Exactly what it sounds like. Nightlight. Oh, this is like a color temperature thing. You can just it's not really doing anything. That's strange. Well, whatever. Okay. Notifications. Online accounts. Oh yeah, you can integrate your desktop with all these guys. Yay! I think WebDAV is like if you have like your own service or like a generic service that supports it, you can integrate it. And if you have an IMAP email address or SMTP, that's all ancient email stuff. If you just have a Gmail, you won't know what the fuck that is. Microsoft Exchange, Microsoft Nextcloud. I think Microsoft Exchange is just like if your organization that you work for has one that you can integrate it. I don't know what Kerberos is, and then you have Microsoft 365, which I don't know. I don't know what the difference is between that and a Microsoft account. But like, I think this is just like if your workplace uses Microsoft Exchange, you can integrate it. The difference between this and this, I don't know. I don't fucking know, man. Let's see here. Panel. We make it really big. Oh yeah, that's a big boy right there. We can always show the panel. We can intelligently hide the panel. And if I go... Hey. Hey, there we go. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna close this. Let's see here. Oh, you can also add more panels. On Windows, this is called the taskbar usually, but I've seen most distros use the phrase taskbar to mean just like this task list right here, like what do you have open. Let's see here. Yeah, I want to remove that panel. Oh, we can move this panel, our default panel. We can, yeah. Yeah, let's put it on top. Okay. Why is it still in edit mode? There we go. Yeah, there we go. Apparently you are not allowed to do this in Windows 11. Windows 11 sucks, bro. Like, come on. Preferred applications. So this is basically like your default browser, default mail application, stuff like that. You've seen this on Windows. Privacy. Oh, this is just for like a recent, like, should be a recent thing here. Yeah, recent. Like, so that just clears out what's shown in recent. There, we already looked at that. So this is just what starts up on when you start your computer. You can choose an application. You can do a command. Let's see here. I guess you can just look for like a bash script there. I should cover bash scripting sometime. I don't know. I don't have anything NVIDIA on this computer. Why is this enabled? Why is that installed? Okay. Windows. Now you can change the oh boy. We'll just keep it. Actually, you know what? Beautiful. I did say I wanted to ruin this install when I was done. Sloppy. Sloppy? What does that do? Oh. Oh, I see. Okay. So you mouse over the application to focus it, and it defocuses after you move the mouse away. Sloppy, when you move the mouse away, it doesn't defocus your machine. Actually, you know what? Now's a good time to showcase the Linux file manager. So when you make a user account on a Linux machine, it makes you a home folder. So this is Sandstock home folder. And this is where all his files are. So you've got a folder for your desktop. That just shows what's on the desktop. You've got your documents. And you've got your downloads folder. You've got your music folder, pictures. I forget what this does. This is like for like sharing between PCs, but I forget the specifics. Templates. I've literally never used this. This is for office workers. I don't know. And videos, right? So this is all your files, right? So like if you make an account, your home folder is all your files. So yeah, so like if you start up like LibreOffice, and make a, no, I don't care. Okay, I don't care. So like if you open up LibreOffice and make a document, the default is that it saves in documents. If you save something in a, I tried to go on the wrong side to close the application. It will be saved in the downloads folder. Yeah, so there's really not that much to explain. It's super easy. Super easy. Right? So, yeah. So, let's see here. Look at this. Hold on. Maybe I should paint the wallpaper. Hold on. Let's go back to wallpaper. Here's wallpaper. I don't see the wallpaper. Oh, background. Oh my god. Okay. Oh no, it's invisible. It's invisible. Oh my god, look at that. Look how far it goes. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Okay. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, and we're going to do tiling. Okay, that's just basically just like that, like that. You know, you can sort of do that. You know, kind of snaps to the whatever you want to do. Let's see here. And workspaces. I already showed workspaces. Sure. Okay. And of course we have the hardware settings. I'm not going to fuck with these. I don't have a printer. I actually do have a graphics tablet. I kind of impulse bought it because I was like, oh, I can maybe do cool stuff with it, and I never did any cool stuff with it. It's like one of the cheaper Wacom tablets, and it does work on a laptop. System info. You can look at all my system info. Login window. That is really fucking with me. You can make a new user if you want. God damn it. One of these days I'm gonna have to tell y'all about the one time I revoked my own student privileges. Maybe when we cover Solus. Yeah, okay. I don't know why I did that. I need to fucking ruin this machine. Here you can see all the cool stuff that the OS comes pre-installed with. What the fuck is that on? Oh, what? Watch TV? What? What is this? Oh, okay, I see. So you can watch, so this is kind of like Roku stuff right here. Huh. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. I'm gonna install that on my laptop and check it out later. Oh, Rhythmbox. That's a music player. And that's a video player, celluloid. You can install VLC if you want. I think most people will because it's a pretty useful tool. Backup tool. There's time shift. We covered that already in the last time I tried to film this. Date and time. Oh, this is just the yeah. This is your places. You know, your stuff like this. And there's some files. Okay. Yeah. Now you can change this stuff around a lot as you've already seen, but here I wanna ruin this fucking desktop a little bit. Let's see here. What's the fuggliest? Well, I might have already seen it. What's Vivaldi? Mint XP. Oh my god. Okay. Got to try that out. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, we're ruining this one. Okay. What did we install? Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, I can't see anything. This is better. It's terrible because, like, look at this. Oh my god. Simplify settings, please. Oh, you can only. Huh. I did sad ruin it, so. Vivaldi. I didn't even change anything. Oh, wait, there's a little bit of change, but barely. Alright, what do we got in icons? Nobody installed any icons or anything. Okay, so we tried iOS-X. What's Mint.xp look like? Jesus Christ, okay. Are these not working? Oh, it's already ruining my day. Okay, you know what? I think I'm done here. I think I'm done here. Yeah. I'm not really happy with Linux Mint right now, so yeah, mostly because of that stupid fucking. I mean, most people aren't even gonna look at the fucking theming anyway. There's a lot of stuff you can do to customize the Cinnamon desktop. But yeah, it's just, I'm just really disappointed in this. Mostly because. Oh, okay. I was like, why is there a battery? This is a little mini PC. Oh my god. But yeah, no. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed in Linux Mint. If you want, you can try it out. It is easy to use. It's generally beginner friendly, in spite of the issues I've had. But hey, let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. Give me tips on how to improve my audio, because my audio is always terrible. Let me know what you want me to try. I know I'm going to cover Fedora when the full release of Fedora 42 rolls out, probably with the latest GNOME desktop. I would like to cover Ubuntu at some point. Also, probably after 25.04 releases, but not 25.04. Probably going to be 24.04, because that's an LTS release, and I can explain that better when that comes out. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. And we'll see you then.